video, I will show you how to use the online hotel management software and restaurant with bar. So I'll just demonstrate it to you how to use it, how it works, and stuff like that. So here I just log in. You just type the main name, maybe www.yourhotel.com or hotel. Whatever we use for you here. You just type it here. Then when you type it, you hit enter. This will open. You put your username and password. I already put my own. So remember to put this cache. It's very important. So I put the cache. Then I log in. So when I log in, it brings me here. So this is a kind of a dashboard of what's happening here on this software. So this booking today is zero because I've not used it to book today. I will just use this is just for demonstration. Then this is the total amount you've got on this since you started using this software. Then this is the total customer you got since you started using this software. The total booking you got since you started using the software. Now here you see a graph of your customers from August to February has been flat, then it goes up. A graph of reservation, all the reservation you have, customer reservation. Now this is history of checkout and check-in. This is the total reservation, the graph. This is total booking amount versus total number of booking. You see the graph here. The same is the four current. This is the current customer. Have you seen it that you have on this? This is today. They're saying today's booking, you would have seen it there. Next day booking, you would have seen it there. So you see what they call a dashboard of what is happening. So if you have a big screen in your office, you can just display this to see what is happening on your what they call it on your software. So then from here, let's go to this side. Here you see account. You may not touch all these ones. These ones are maybe financial year. We can go to financial year. We say here we click on financial year. Means from which month to which month your financial year end. This is 2024. From here to here, you have already configured this one. 2024 financial year. From 1st of 17th of January 2004 to this. So every year, remember you need to add another financial year. If not, when you want to book, your software will ask you to add it. And to add it is very easy. You just click here, choose when your financial year starts, choose when it ends, and just click on save. That's all you do. It's pretty easy like that. So all these ones you may not be doing much on all these ones. All these ones maybe the when we are installing it for you, we already configure these ones for you. This is your total customer. This one, as you are booking the customer, it will be building up. This is like on this software now. You see, you have these are all the people that have been coming on this hotel. You see them with their phone number. Have you seen it? Here you update. Here you, if you want this person to pay, maybe this person has not paid, you want it to pay, you click here. You see, payment, select payment, refund, received, stuff like that. If you want to see the customer details, you click here. If you want to see all the transactions by this customer, you click here. You can click here to delete the customer. So the same thing with guest list, but most of the time guest list and customer is pretty much the same thing. Have you seen it? You see booking number, this is guest name, male or female, phone number, if we are putting email address, type of ID they have, this is number, ID number, if they put any ID number, here you can update, here you can delete. So this is wake up call. Some guests may say, okay, wake me up at so and so time. So this is from here you can set wake up call. Click here, you choose the name of the guest, you choose the time, date and time the guest want you to wake him up. They say, yeah, you click OK. Any remark, you can put it here, then you click on save. So that's how to set up wake up call so that by that time the system will remind you that this guest wants you to wake him up by, let's say, by 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. Stuff like that. So and then here you have human resource, you have attendance, like this is for staff. Human resource, where you put your staff. So here we have attendance. Click your attendance here. Attendance report. This is award. If you want those that in your office, those that reward good staff. This is recruitment. Here you can add a new candidate, the person that you are trying to recruit. So you add all of them here. the person's name, first name, email address, city, and stuff like that, even including the person's picture. Then educational information, past work experience, you use it. Next, use it to recruit the candidate. You can manage candidate here. Interview, you set up your interview here. Selection. Now here, this is from here, this is where you set up departments, so payroll. So you set your payroll on this software, and you use it as a payroll. You pay the staff from here. You print their pay slip. You give them. So I need that I have not been paid. Say no, you have been paid. You know, loans, leaves, everything you configure them from this software. Then this is payment information. Probably you don't may not need much on this one. The person installing it will set up this ones for you. This is purchasing items. So items that you use to purchase for this software. You click here. Here you put the item you purchase. You select the supplier you purchase it from. Let's say this is oil and gas. Then here you put the name of the purchase. Here you put the quantity you are buying, how much you are buying it. Are you with me? So you can add more, add more. So you just like write an invoice. So you click on add more to add, all these things that you bought. This is stock in and stock out, stock in. This is how many stock you have. It will show here the previous one. This is the quantity you are buying now, the rate you are buying. When you are done, you click on submit. Are you with me, right? Invoice number of where you buy it, so details and all that. When you finish adding all the stuff, you click here. Are you with me, right? Then here, if there are some stock we need to return, you will see them there. You select and you return the stock. Return invoice, the ones you return from customer. You don't have any exchange. You can click on this, add return. You can select the product you want to return and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. This now you come here, you see report. Now when I click on booking report, from here I will see like here now I'm seeing report of all the booking. Are you with me? This is all the booking. Here you have booking number, the room type, check in, check out, booking date, booking status, check in, then payment status complete, total amount the person supposed to pay, total amount the person pay, amount due is due, that the person is not owing anything. Are you with me? Right? So if you want to see more of this, you can click here to see details. Are you with me? So this is details of the booking. If you want to see, you want to print customer invoice, you can click here to print this customer invoice. I've seen it, Martis. So you just hit here to print this invoice. You need a big computer to print this one. And then, pretty much booking. Let's go back to booking here. Let me show you some filters on the booking. Now here, you can say, okay, I want this report to show me booking from this date to this date. Are you with me? You click on search, it will bring out the booking for you. This booking, you can export it as PDF, you can print it, you can copy it, you can even take a booking for each customer. Let's say I want all the booking from this month. I click here, status. I can say, okay, I want only all the time he has checked in. Here or this status, all the payment have completed. Then remember to click on search anytime you run your report. Then when you finish, you see your report. Here you see the total amount of the report. You can export in PDF, you can print or Excel, CSV is Excel, and stuff like that. So it's just pretty easy thing to do. Here is purchasing report, all the things you bought. You will see the report here. This is stock, the stock you have at hand. I'm see it, the total amount, quantity, the price, the total, the product will be listed here. You will see the stock, quantity you have in all those things you have purchased. So all these ones, room facility, these ones may not be interested in this one because these ones, what will I say? The person installing the software will configure this one for you. Now let's look at room reservation. Now this is booking list. Remember, probably where you'll be working most will be on this one where I am now. Booking reservation. If you want to reserve a room for a guest, so you go to booking reservation. Have you seen it here? You click on booking reservation. You will see all the guests that you have reserved a room. Then to book a room for another guest, see here you see booking number, the type of room number, the name of the guest, telephone number, time he's supposed to check out, the amount he paid, due amount, booking status, payment status successful. So here you see here, yes here you can automatically check. This is no the difference between booking or reservation and check-in. If a guest come to the hotel and walk in, you can check him in direct. I'll show you how to do that one. But this one, maybe I call you on the phone that, hey, can you reserve a room for me? So you use booking. So you book the guest, but you have not checked the guest in. So you can automatically, you don't have to write this guest name. You can just click here. Have you seen it here? Just check in to check the guest in. Let's say I want to check in this guest. What I need to do now is I click on this check in here. So you open the guest information again. You check and make sure the information is correct. Then under here you click on check-in. See, if you look at the list now, the guest is no more there. I've checked the guest in. Now when you go to check-in list, you will see the guest. Now the guest is checked in. Let's say I want to book room for another guest. Let's say guest call me again and say you want to check. So to book for another guest, I click on this room booking. So when I click on this room booking, when is the guest coming? Let's say on the 24th. Then I click on apply. Then here, let's say when you see checking out on the 27th, I click on apply. Where is it arriving from? I put, let's say from Lagos. This one, is it this booking type? Is it on weekend rate, weekday rate, on promo? It's okay. Let's say weekday rate. Now these ones, you can leave this one maybe automatic. Leave all this one purpose of visit. You can write it for business. If you have any remark, you write. If you don't have, you leave it here. Now this is where you come to set the room type. Which room type? Let's say in studio, I want to book the person. The room number, I want the person to enter. I book it here. This one will enter. This one will enter automatic. Then all these ones, it may not be necessary because this one all have entered. It's what's entered on this room. When you're configuring it, that's what will appear here. When you look at it, see the total amount the person is supposed to pay has already appeared here. Then here I click on this thing like a plus. See, as is it a new customer or an old customer? I say it's a new customer. I click here. Then I can put the customer's code, let's say 234, or it's not necessary. Then I type the person's number. Then I put the customer's name. Let's say Danny. Last name, let me see, use Danny. Then his father's name, if you have occupation, you can write it. Male or female, date of birth, you fill all the information necessary here. Email address, remember the most important is phone number. Then here, remember ID card. Let's see, because in some hotel you're supposed to have to present your ID card. Short, it's very important you present your ID card. You put the ID card type, let's say driver's license. The ID card number. Now I can snap the ID card with my phone and put it here, the back and put it here. Then the customer's own image, you snap and put it if it's necessary. If they give you, most of the time the customer will not agree, but if they give, it's important, So you now click on this add. You see, it has added the customer here. So we are good to go. So let's say this customer now decide to pay. I choose how did he pay? He paid by, let me say, he paid me cash. Then how much did he pay? He paid all. Let's say 120. I click it. Let's say if he give me 50,000 only, I can just put 50,000. Are you with me, right? If you have paid the 120, you put how much he pay you, you put it here. Let's say he paid all, and I click on save. So when you come to the process, see this is the customer I just booked now. Danny, phone number, check-in date, check-out date, total amount. On the amount you zero means it's not owing me anything. Booking status pending, payment status is successful. Are you with me, right? So this is pretty much how to book in a guest. You know, his booking status is pending. So let's say this guest come now and say he want to check in. I can easily click here. You know, when you come, okay, your booking is yeah, Mr. Dan. You say yes. I just click here to check in. That I can show you on a video. Let's say this guest just walk in and say, I want to book a hotel. I just want to lodge. You know, he didn't call you on the phone. He didn't want a booking. He just come with his things. I want to stay. You don't have to come to booking. You go to check in. Have you seen check in here? You click on check in. Are you with me? These are the people. See, this is that one I just checked in. These are the people that are already in the room. They are already in your hotel. It's not those that come. So let's say a guest just walk in and say, I want the room. So what you need to do is, you don't have to go to booking like I said. You go to check-in, then you click on direct check-in, right? So you discover that direct check-in and the booking, the information, what you feel is just the same. So if you know how to fill the other one, filling this one will be the same, just the same thing. But the difference is that the other one you click on save, but this one you click on check-in. So you're checking in the guest direct, you're not booking the guest. Are you with me? So that's the thing. I don't want to repeat this because it's the same thing with what we have done before. So that's how it is. Let's say a guest want to check out. What do you do? Here you click on check out. Let's say you want to check a guest out. To check out, but to checking the guest out, you may not use this one. What you need to do, you click on this check-in. Then you go back to check-in. Let's say you want to check this E out. Here, have you seen it? You can see the guest. Now there's something like a hand here saying check out. Are you with me? You can click on it. Click on it. I can still click this one. Let me say I want to check that one out. See, it has opened up its information. You check and make sure it's not owing you anything. It's not owing anything. It's not owing anything. Everything is showing 00 means the guest is clean. He has paid his 30,000 and everything. I just click on. I can print here to print the guest invoice. See the guest receipt. Pretty cool. Huh? I will show you how the receipt. Let me save it. I will show you. I just select a new printer. PDF. Save as PDF. Okay. So I'll look at it later. So you print the invoice and give to the person. Then you click on checkout. So let's just click on checkout. That's pretty much it. Let's go here. Discover that the guest has received the 30,000 has come. So you have checked the guest out. Now there's something here that is very important. Room status, right? This room status is from where you monitor your rooms. Like when you click room status, you see all the rooms that are available, the ones that have been taken, and stuff like that. Like here now, you see from here you see this room is available. If it has been checked, you will see it will turn green. The one that are checking, if someone are inside the room, you show your room number that are all see that are available. The one that is checked, that is where you monitor the status of the room. So if you're the owner, you can just be looking at the room status. You will see room number that somebody is in, the one that have been booked, the one that someone have checked out. The colors are different. So this is from where you check your room status. So this is pretty much about booking. I don't think there's anything so difficult in it. And let's look at the restaurant. Now the restaurant, look, we have a restaurant there. Now all this is our models. Are you with me? Yeah. So the restaurant, let's look at it. See, it's an add-on. So if you buy this software, you like you need to activate. You don't need to pay extra money to activate all these ones. But this one doesn't come with the software. No. If you want a restaurant to be added, you click it's an add-on. We call it an add-on. So you pay for it. If you want housekeeping, it's all this one that shows. So if you want housekeeping to be clear, you pay for housekeeping, duty roster, what's up, all these ones. See, some of these ones, yeah, all these ones. It's a models. So you pay for them to be added for you. So what we need to do, let's go to restaurant. Click on restaurant. Now this is POS. See, this is from where you serve your food. It's like a normal software you use for food. See it? Pretty cool, isn't it? So yeah, we have breakfast, rice, stew, swallow, extra, blah blah blah. So you have most of these things. Let's say I order for pap. So most of these things will be configured to you for you, or you can configure them yourself. I'll show you how to do it. So what we need to do is you click on this custard. See, custard has entered. I think something even give you a lot like normal POS they use in the supermarket. So let's say I also ordered fried potato. Ask me the quantity, one add to cart. This one I don't have any quantity, that's why. Okay, let's say I order my mind. I have entered here, he want one. Let's say I want it to be two. I can add this zero to make it two. Even as you're adding, the total is increasing. This is your total. Have you seen it? So here is it for a customer inside the room or for another customer? This is a walk-in customer. So here I choose how many person I'm ordering this, and I said this one. I click on submit. 660. I need to configure something here. Okay, see, I put show me three. I can select that one. Then I'm okay, I'm good to go. It has given me the total 6,120. I have 2% VAT. You know, it's included. This is 120 that you see here. You can decide your VAT to be zero. You can add VAT on it. Any service charge is zero. There's no service charge. Then I click on order food. Say please, I should select customer. So there is, I didn't select any customer. Let's say an old customer, phone number. Select phone number. Has given me this one. I click submit. Successful. Let's try again. You see, order place successful. I say yes. I want to print token. This is the receipt. If I want to print, I say print. I can print PDF. I don't have anyone. So you have placed order for that customer. If you want to see the order you place, you go to order list. See that the NS we just placed order. Status is saying pending, means I have not paid anything. This is the order. Here you can have you seen it? Accept or cancel an order. You can accept this order. Let's say from the kitchen, you can accept it, or you can. So if you want it to be phoned, the kitchen should have a computer too. So when you order from the restaurant, the kitchen see the order and start making the order. You see, this is the order confirmation. Are you sure you want to reject this order or order? I say I want to accept this order. So order accepted by the kitchen. This is order details for top. The person stages payment. I can make payment by clicking here. This is POS invoice. I want to print invoice. I'll show you how the invoice is. Let's try to make payment. So this is the person total is so amount. How much did he pay? I say he paid the same amount, 6,120. 6,120. Have you seen it? This is the payment. If I want to add another payment, I can click pay now and print invoice. Sorry. The customer paid by cash. He paid. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Also, it's any percentage. It's 6,120. So, like I said, you put card, you put how much you want to pay. You say pay now and print invoice. That's how it works. Then this one here now you can print POS invoice. Ask me to print. So see, this is you can use a small printer. That's how it is. Let me save it. Not much what it is. So all these ones, pending order, the orders that have not been completed is here. This is completed order, all the orders you have served. all the other you have cancelled. So all these ones, like these ones, will be configured to you by yourself or by the person installing the software for you. Are you with me? You can see manage category means food category. You can manage them here. Have you seen all those food we added? See where we added the categories here. Here you added the food. This is where you see food list. You see list of the food here. Have you seen it? All those food we are seeing, this is where we added them. So another thing, Now here is where you add the products. So all the product you are buying, the one they are collecting, the one they are selling and stuff like that. Is where you add the product. Units of measure, kilo, you know, beauty item, name of the item, category, active, inactive. So you add the product you use in the hotel. This is where you add them. This is all the ones you have destroyed, the one that have spoiled, that you have destroyed. Add them here. This is housekeeping, all those ones, all these ones are add on. So that's pretty much how the software works. If there's something you don't understand, you can tell me. I will still continue to do more video for you to show you.